and the oxygen level in the atmosphere is decreasing, and it is causing.
Due to some reason, we are going to perform the next
This is a
performance.
solar plant. It produces.
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे.
So first of all, I would like to your name. Please tell me your name.
Let me introduce me and my friends. My name is Divik Singh.
Yeah.
He is Ashish Yadav. He is Aishwarya and he is Sudhanshu Chaudhary.
Okay.
We have made a project about sustainable science. In this project, we are going to explain about things like deforestation, about things like deforestation and pollution.
Calling you.
On one side we have shown problems and on one side we have shown solutions.
Yeah.
Like the problems are,
Ma'am is calling
it
you.
generates electricity from flower plants, but it also produces air
Thank you
pollution
so much, sir.
and water
Thank you,
pollution.
sir.
Its solution is on the other side, like we can
Okay.
use wind energy and
So let's further
solar energy,
to our
so
next
we can
performance,
generate
which is
electricity
group
and it
song by
will not produce
Classes
any
Girls.
pollution.
I would like
We
to
are
call
cutting
them.
trees
Give a
and
round of
many
applause.
animals are becoming homeless.
Give a
So
big
on
round
the
of
other
applause
side we have
for
made
her.
wildlife sanctuary where animals can live peacefully.
Yeah.
We are cutting trees and the oxygen level in the atmosphere is decreasing, and it is causing global warming. So on the other side we are planting trees so the oxygen level in our atmosphere can be stable and our weather can be pleasant.
Well done. Very good. Would you?
Sir, this is our project Sustainable Science. We have made this project to aware people about to not cut trees and not pollute our environment.
Yeah.
We in our day-to-day life we use
Due to some reason,
for
we are going to perform the next
This is a
performance.
solar plant. It produces energy, but by producing energy, it also
Don't you
produces
think so that we should do something different?
air pollution and water pollution. And its solution is that we should use reusable and renewable energy like wind energy and solar energy. We should also not cut trees because by cutting trees, the oxygen level in
So
our
let's call
atmosphere
them
is going
LKG
very
lovely
down.
kids for their
And
Nepali
by
dance
this, the
performance.
global
Cheer
warming
up for this marvelous
is
kids.
increasing, and by global warming, the glaciers are
Everyone,
melting.
give a big round of
Okay,
applause for the kids.
well done. You have done very good job.
Really, they are
I'm
such a
glad to
brave
see all
kids.
these
Give a
things.
round of applause.
Okay, very good, sir. Congratulations, sir. Keep it up, and in the future, do something more best. Thank you. Hello, dear viewers. So before explaining anything, let me show you these beautiful things. So wonderful. And these girls, those who are from class 10, these girls have made. So I'll go to them and I'll ask that how did they make it, and they will explain about this. So please, ma'am, tell me what is your name?
Good morning, sir. My name is Jyoti Vijay, and I am here to describe about our solar system. So
Yeah.
this is our solar system. It is formed 6.5 million years ago. It is consist of 8 planets and two dwarf planets. And it is also consist of our star, which is known as the satellite. Our 4 planets, which is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are known as the terrestrial planets, and the other next planets, which is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are known as the gaseous planets. So the fastest moving planet is Mercury, and the lowest moving planet is Uranus. And the rings which you can see around the Saturn is made up of ice, meteoroids, etc. Thank you, sir. So in our exoplanets, they look similar to our solar planet, but the main difference is that they exist in another universe, but they do not exist in our solar system. There are total 5,227 exoplanets are present. The first evidence is from in 1970, but the confirmation was done in 1992. And this is the Mercury, which is similar to our planet Mercury. That is the Terran, which is similar to our planet Earth. And that is the Neptunian, which is similar to our planet Neptune. And that is the Jupiterian, which is similar to our planet Jupiter. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Sir,
and
you can
congratulations
also
all of
see
you.
this, our Milky Way galaxy.
Okay.
Milky Way galaxy.
This is our Milky Way, sir.
Yeah.
The mass of our Milky Way is 1.5 into 10, and it is discovered in year 1924. Scientist Albert Einstein, and this is our exoplanets.
Okay, thank you very much, and congratulations all of you. You have done very, very well job.
Thank you, sir.
Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Sir, please appreciate these girls because they have done very, very wonderful job. Thank you for watching, everyone.
अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,